Hello friends, in this video I will tell you one trick that you can apply to connect to the Wi-Fi without knowing the password. So how it's gonna done, we will know in 2 minutes. Suppose there are different Wi-Fi's that are available and all are secured. As you see, there is a lock present with all Wi-Fi. For example, you tap on some Wi-Fi, it will ask you for the password and you don't know the password, so you will not be able to enable this connect button and you will not be able to connect with the Wi-Fi, and of course you won't be able to access the internet. So how you're gonna do to connect with this Wi-Fi like Slim Shady or some another? So it's a very tricky way and it's very simple also. You just need to access the Wi-Fi router of someone, and how you're gonna do is I will show you the method here. You go to more and there is one option called WPS. So this is a very good way you can connect with some Wi-Fi without knowing the password. Just go and tap on WPS push button, wait for some time and you will be connected to the Wi-Fi. So how it's all happening? It's because the WPS need to be enabled in the Wi-Fi router. So most of the Wi-Fi that have the Wi-Fi router settings are enabled. So here if you see the Wi-Fi page of Bitel company and in the wireless you will see the WPS setting, and if you see the WPS you just need to start WPS. So if you start the WPS, so now anyone can connect by using the WPS push button. So for example, you just go to more and tap on WPS push button. Now wait for some time and you will automatically connect with the Wi-Fi router. Oh, you are connected with the Wi-Fi router without the password. So this is the way that you can use to connect with the Wi-Fi routers without knowing the password. So if you know some other ways of connecting the Wi-Fi without password, please put it in the comments or share with us so that we can give some more updates. Subscribe to our channel, and moreover I will also show you